Hi, hello, and welcome back to my channel, Div's Home Studio. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to share a few skincare products from Aroma Treasures. Let's check them out. The first one is a detox charcoal facial kit, which comes with 6 steps of facial. You can do it at the comfort of your home. The first one is a charcoal cleansing gel, which comes with the goodness of aloe vera juice, lactic acid, and activated charcoal, which comes with 5 grams of product in one sachet. And the sachet is a single time use. So I'm going to cleanse my face deeply with this gel for another 5 minutes and see that my skin becomes smooth and supple. Let's move on to the next step. It's the activated charcoal scrub, which comes with cellulose scrub, activated charcoal, extract of chamomile and lotus. Again, this is a 5 gram sachet, single time user, and these scrub particles are gentle and it's very mild on skin. So I'm going to scrub my face gently for over 3 minutes and then rinse it off with water. And surely it is going to remove all of your small bumps and on your blackheads on your nose and cleanse well and make your skin more smooth and supple and soft. So they have sent a neroli water skin toner with a cotton pad. This contains again aloe vera extract and neroli oil in it. This is a 3 ml product which comes with this kind of a cotton pad. You can just swipe it off. Just acts like a toner and it just softens your skin and gives that hydration necessary for your skin. The next step is a white glow serum. This contains aloe vera extract, habitin and patchouli oil, and this serum is absolutely hydrating and it's very lightweight. I personally loved it. So let's move to the next step. Again, this is a massage cream which is activated charcoal cream with cocoa butter, habitin and activated charcoal. This has 5 grams of product again, and massage this product gently onto your skin for another 3 minutes and then you can go for the peel off mask. I personally love this very simple facial kit to be done at home. It just gives a perfect glow and very quickly, and when you're in a hurry to get ready to a party or you want your facial to be done and glow up or a clean up done at home, this is the best choice. You can give this a try. The last and the final step is the activated charcoal peel off mask, which comes with Kyolin, sodium alignate and activated charcoal. This has 10 grams of product. You get 2 sachets of this. You can see the peel off mask is not like very fevicol-y plastic kind. It actually consists of Clean, so it is not going to harm your skin. And if you don't want to peel it off, you can actually wash it off as well. So I did the same thing, but you believe it or not, I personally love the glow on my face and I was super excited to try this out, but later on I love this product. And surely if you want a home facial or a cleanup session on your own, budget friendly, you can try this Aroma Treasures Detox Charcoal Facial Kit for all skin types. It's very mild on any kind of skin type. Don't be too harsh on your skin. Be very gentle when you apply or massage any of these products on your skin, and don't leave it for more than 3 to 5 minutes on your skin, then rinse it off. And if you have, do patch test before getting done with the peel off. Check out the glow on my face. I personally loved it. It just brightened my skin up without drying my skin. I personally love this cleanup at home. Let's try out the Aroma Treasures White Glow Serum, which lightens, nourishes and repairs your skin, which is enhanced with oils of vetiver, clary sage, ylang patchouli, lavender and jasmine. This particular serum is for all skin types. Does not contain any parabens, sulfates, silicone, synthetic perfume and any kind of harmful chemicals in it. It is actually enriched with a lot of natural active ingredients like chamomile, lotus, hibiscus, brahmi oil and lots more. The product also contains glycolic acid, habitin, glycerin, lactic acid and a lot of goodness from aloe vera and chamomile and lotus. The serum instantly seeps into the skin to lighten the dark spot and evens your skin tone. The lightweight formulation nourishes your skin for healthy looking skin. The product contains 30 ml of product, retails for 360 rupees with 2 years of shelf life. This is a purely made in India product. I hope you'll love this video and try out the Aroma Treasure White Glow Serum product and as well as the charcoal facial kit at home. I personally love this and give this a try. Until next time, it's bye from Divya.